Hey educators! Ready to revolutionize your English classes? Today's lesson plan, centered around Nothing to Declare by MGMT, promises to captivate your students with a powerful message of resilience. First off, spark a lively discussion with a question about challenges people face in life. Move on to a visual challenge. Photos depict various struggles. Have students talk about them, fostering empathy and understanding. Next, it's story time with a twist. Students read about individual challenges, doing an exercise as a team. It's a perfect blend of critical thinking and collaboration. Then, let's test those listening skills. Which story resonates most? My name is Lucas. I can't hear. But I learned sign language and it changed my life. Now, I make beautiful pictures that tell stories without sound. I show people that you don't need to hear to understand the world. It's a great way to deepen the conversation. Grammar buffs, rejoice! A worksheet focused on verb tenses awaits. Crank up the competition with group brainstorming. Students huddle, debate, and decide on their answers, all while racing against the clock. Reveal time. Play the song and let the lyrics confirm their guesses. It's a thrilling moment that ties the lesson together. Now, for the grand finale, the music video. This isn't just any video. It's a storytelling masterpiece that showcases the journey of a girl without arms, navigating life with incredible resilience. Wrap up with a reflective discussion. How did the video change their perception? What stood out and why? It's a powerful way to end on a note of inspiration and insight. Ready to make this lesson your own? Head to Song Activity Factory for all the materials you need. Let's make learning unforgettable with the power of music.